DFO Moorabbin, near Moorabbin Airport, and it's an outlet for discount shopping. So you'll see some of the shops here. They even have, I call it in Australia, TK Maxx. It's actually TJ Maxx in the United States. So I'm just locking up here my car. And let's go in. Let's go inside. Lindt chocolate's really popular here too. So is Ralph Lauren. A few Levi's. Levi jeans. Different shops here. They got a big sale on as well as the outlet shopping because it's end of summer now. So opposite seasons here. See, and so lots of sales are on. Sushi place. People like to have their sushi here. It's a nice sitting area. Warehouse up here. Some jewelry. Beautiful pearls. See some of the prices. Look at the little piglets, aren't they cute? It's for children. That's sweet. That's really sweet. This platypus. You see some of the shoes they have here. Nice neon colours, pink, purple. You can see that Australia loves their colours. Blue dress. Let's go and have a look. See some of the prices here. What it's reduced to, and then another 50% off. So I'm going to do some shopping. Sequin skirt, which is gorgeous. All the very bright colours, rainbow colours. More skirts. A few more trousers. Like a top in green. I'm just in the parking lot now. Can you hear the birds? All the flowers are blowing. This is the car, and you can see where the steering wheel is located on the opposite side. So I'll open the door. See inside here. This is the interior. So it's on the opposite side that you have in the United States. I'm meeting my family for dinner, so I'm about to do that right now. And it's a gorgeous day, and it's still sunny in Australia, so have a great evening, and I'll see you very soon.